Hey everyone, this is Monique Macklin over at The Credit Lady, and I wanted to just come to you very briefly with information about the profitability in poor credit. So when people have bad credit scores, those are usually the people who get penalized the most. If you are going to a bank for a loan or credit cards, if you're trying to get car insurance or any insurance, if you are trying to just get some utilities, a cell phone or a light and gas turned on, you're going to be penalized if your credit is not in alignment with what these institutions require you to have. And in many instances, these people can't afford to keep putting out this kind of money month after month or every time they move or whatever the case might be. So what happens is these credit reporting agencies like Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, they are selling your information to these institutions and they're making billions. They are making billions off of your information. And a lot of times the information that's being reported is misinformation. It could be that, yes, this loan was mine, but it could still have a lot of information in there that is inaccurate. The number one rule for anything to be reported on your bureaus is the accuracy in there. So that's one of the consumer laws that protects you when it comes to these companies reporting your data. But they are selling your information to these subscribers. We're not their customer. Yes, they're selling our information, but we're not their customer. Their customers are the banks, the insurance companies, utility companies, and all those types of institutions that are paying them monthly to buy our information. So when it comes to removing negative information, they kind of move at a slow pace because the worse a credit score is, the more these institutions can charge you when you try to get credit through them. So my mission with this message is to really stop the extortion that has been plagued on so many consumers nationwide. When you think about the money that these credit reporting agencies are averaging, I'm talking about just the top three. They are averaging $2 to $4 billion each and every year selling our information, our personal and business information to their real customers, which is their subscribers. When we stop the extortion, then things are going to have to change within the system. The government had to implement laws that protect you. You're not going to go out and read all of the laws. Some of you will, but most of you won't. So companies like mine exist so we can invoke these laws, get your file moving in the right direction so that you can start to build your financial life and have a strong standing when it comes to your credit and move forward with ease. But go to creditlady.info to learn more.